Give your friends your money and your blood, but don't justify yourself. Your enemies won't believe it and your friends won't need it. Unity is power. Beware the level-headed person if they're angry. Avoid the company of liars, but if you can't, don't believe them. Be wary around your enemy once, and your friend 1,000 times. A double-crossing friend knows more about what harms you. The best answer will come from the person who is not angry. Go with the lesser of two evils. The smarter you are, the less you speak. If you're unable to reward, then make sure to thank. Send a wise man, don't advise him. Everyone is critical of the flaws of others, but blind to their own. Lack of intelligence is the greatest poverty. It's better to fix what you have than wait to get what you don't have. Be patient and you'll get what you want. Actions speak louder than words. An envious person is the unhappiest. Good health is a crown worn by the healthy that only the ill can see. There's always tomorrow. A tree begins with a seed. Anger begins with madness, but ends in regret. He makes a dome out of a grain. This is the equivalent of making a mountain out of a molehill. Avoid that which requires an apology. Laugh and the world laughs with you, weep, and you weep alone. You can't clap with one hand. If the wind blows, ride it. Visit rarely, and you will be more loved. Time is made of gold. The key to everything is determination. Silence is the sign of approval. Lying is a disease, and truth is a cure. Keeping a secret is a commitment. If you have an opinion, you better be determined. A foolish man may be known by 6 things: anger without cause, speech without profit, change without progress, inquiry without object, putting trust in a stranger, and mistaking foes for friends. A house divided cannot stand. Arrogance diminishes wisdom. A secret is like a dove, when it leaves my hand it takes wing. A known mistake is better than an unknown truth. A sense of humor is the pull that adds balance to our steps as we walk the tightrope of life. Ask the experienced rather than the learned. Every sun has to set. Wishing does not make a poor man rich. No crowd ever waited at the gates of patience. He who sees the calamity of other people finds his own calamity light. Do not buy either the moon or the news, for in the end they will both come out. Believe what you see and lay aside what you hear. Arrogance is a weed that grows mostly on a dunghill. Ask your purse what you should buy. The fruit of silence is tranquility. Think of the going out before you enter. The fruit of timidity is neither gain nor loss. What is learned in youth is carved in stone.